Hey, what's going on, everyone? Chris back with another quick video. So I checked out and Tudia sent me the Lula case. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave the link to that. They've actually updated that Lula case to a second revision. So let's go ahead and check it out, see what's different about it. A few things that they let me know is they've actually took out the power button. Just because that was one complaint that I had, the power button was very difficult to press, so they've taken that out. They've kind of just changed how the button is, so it's indented a little bit. Let's go ahead and slip the phone in real quick. So there we are. Oh man, this ocean depths color looks really nice with this black, that's for sure. You can still see some of that copper ring around. See some of the blue up there, and then the copper power button shines through, which is actually very easy to find now because of this indentation. The volume buttons still feel great, and you still have access to your camera. I do have a Poetic tempered glass screen protector on this. I would not recommend it, but it definitely is fine if you're in a pinch. But as you can see here, there's definitely no gap to protect if you do drop it face down. There's no lip. This is very minimal. So we'll see how this works, but definitely overall feels nice. I had some grip, feels good, and at least it'll protect from scratches. But other than that, it's not going to be protecting you very much otherwise. Nothing else has changed besides that power button, it seems like. So thank you all for watching, and the Lula 2.0 case is available. And if you did receive the first gen, even though you may have ordered it now recently, reach out to them. Maybe they'll replace it for you. Super nice people. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.